Guys, in this video we would like to just introduce you and show you both of the headsets. So you have the MetaQuest 2 here and the MetaQuest 3, the newer version, the older brother, I would say, of the MetaQuest, or the younger brother of the MetaQuest 3 2. So I guess Evgeny will start unboxing and showing you the features of the MetaQuest 2, and then later on you will see the difference between the both of them.
Okay, great. So let's dive into it. MetaQuest 2 has been around for a while actually. So it's been introduced in October 2020, and since then it actually holds the place as the best all-rounding headset. Even 2023 in April it was rated as the best headset. Obviously that was before the MetaQuest 3 came out, and I think we'll just straightforward start with the unboxing of the headset. So it comes at this very environmentally friendly paper packaging, and if you open it, it's very simplistic, so you can see straightforward the head device and the controllers next to it. The device, again, very simplistic design, typical for the MetaQuest. We'll see this design line continuing into the next generation later on. You can see 4 sensors and cameras. So this headset came or still is equipped with a see-through mode, which has been later on developed, and Alexei will show you better later on. So the headset head unit has a Snapdragon processor with 6 GB of RAM. It has also adjustable lenses, so if you can show here, you can adapt them to the width of your eyes to make it more of a high frame picture. You have 2 microphones here, down here, volume controls for the built-in speakers. However, this also gives you the option to connect with an external audio source, and you also have here your USB-C charger. Here you can turn on the device, turn it off, reset it. It's basically one button, very simple, very simplistic. And yeah, here next to it you have the hand controllers, very sleek in the design, so it's very good in the hand, and they have built-in batteries. So maybe to the battery of the MetaQuest, it has on average you can play games depending on the usage. It will last up for 3 hours. Those batteries here integrated, you can replace them roughly after like every month. If you actively use the device, you should replace them. Otherwise, you have the standard charger here. We're not gonna unbox it, and a face cover. So what you can do is basically you can put this rubber band on your headset. It's for hygienic use. Also, all our headsets which we deliver to our customers come with one-time use rubber bands, so we buy them separately, and every headset for every delivery that goes out comes with a untouched rubber band, which you can then throw away because it's only for you. Also, very interesting for the MetaQuest 2, it comes with a adapter if you're wearing goggles or glasses, as you would say. So right here, if I take on this main piece, take it off, better said, you also see this adapter, which you can put on or put off depending if you're having glasses. So yeah, this is the device, very simple. It's been around, as already mentioned earlier, it's been around for a couple of years already, but still looks very fresh, looks futuristic, and is basically the ideal picture of a virtual reality headset. But now we have a new player.
But we have a new player, right? That's correctly said. The MetaQuest 3, right? So you will now, let's put it like this, so you will see the difference immediately, and it is great. Actually, made a huge improvement. So first of all, the box is smaller, so it's more compact. Let me quick unbox it. So, really same design till now.
Yeah.
So, you can film it here. So this is what you get, MetaQuest 3. So you already see that, let me start with the headset itself. And if you compare them, if I put them next to each other, sorry if I can move this here, you already see that the MetaQuest 3 is 40% thinner. However, the weight of the both MetaQuests is 500 grams. It's not too much, not too little. It's actually pretty okay. I mean, like if you look at the rubber band, you can see that this one has 2 additional straps. This is for the weight distribution on the head. It actually, when you wear the headset, it distributes the weights equally so that you barely feel the headset on your head, especially when you do sports and physical activities. It's much more comfortable. Now, looking at the headset, you also have the switch on button. It's now here on this side. The volume buttons, they kept the same. However, now with the lenses, you saw that you can switch them inside in the MetaQuest 2. Like I can show it to you again.
Right, the adjustment here.
The adjustment is here, you move them, so manually. In MetaQuest 3, however, you have these small circle which you can move, you can turn, and you see how the lenses are moving. So you have many more options in order for the adjustment. As well, you have here the button. So you had the for the glasses, you had an additional plastic accessory, adapter connector. Now you have this button which you can push and put the MetaQuest up or down, so you can really fix it into the perfect position. So this is this USB-C adapter is right here, exactly, and the sensors are all over the place. So this is the MetaQuest 3 itself. The controllers also, they changed the design. They kept the original shape, but they took away this part. You can see, you can compare, and however, they're feeling great, very comfortable, very, I would say, much more. But those ones were good, but these ones are, I think, they're lighter. Exactly. They are lighter, and they
are more
comfortable. More compact, more comfortable, like easy switch, and they're lighter. Yeah, I guess that's the main difference.
And also the usage. So, for example, the MetaQuest 3 has more sensors built in, and even though the MetaQuest 2 already started with the function that it has hand tracking, so instead of using the remote controllers, you were able to use your hands. However, this feature was kind of quirky in some situations, right? When you were playing games, sometimes was a bit lacking when we were like playing against each other. That's why I lost so many times.
Excuses. Excuse, that's what I hear all the time. Excuses and then tears.
But the MetaQuest 3 has definitely put it to a perfect perfect leveled it up definitely. And gestures, the adjustments, as Alexei mentioned, the lenses, for example, while you had only 3 different options in the MetaQuest 2, this is seamless. So like,
it's much better. I mean, they've improved it a lot, and I have to say the hand tracking features and the mixed reality part, because you actually see the colors. Basically, it is a huge breakthrough in terms of mixed reality, and you will see then later on when we show you some differences between games and what you can do with the MetaQuest 2 and what you can do with the MetaQuest 3. It's like I mean, it's not 2 different worlds, but somehow it is. But you know, like
it's noticeable. It's noticeable.
But both of
3 years in between, right?
3 years in between is a big time.
It's a big time in technology.
True that. But they both support, which is very important to say. Both of them support the same MetaQuest library. So the games that you can play on MetaQuest 2, you can also play them on MetaQuest 3. That's all. Plus, in addition, you have these mixed reality games with better resolution, better quality, higher speed on the MetaQuest 3. But we will go into the details of what is inside later. For now, the main difference is, of course, the size. The weight stays the same, the controllers, and the optical part of both headsets. The rest we'll jump in, and we'll show you the difference, how it looks actually in both headsets. So let's wear them and see what we can show you.